everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I'm going to show you what I have in my Halloween stash, which isn't much, admittedly, but we'll see if I can use it all, and you'll see over the following weeks the projects that I'm making with it. So hopefully it will inspire you to use what's in your stash too. First couple of things is the paper. Now I was gifted these Halloween papers. I'm guessing they're from Stamping Up. They're cute. So I have those. Now I did purchase, these, um, it's not really Halloween, but it would work for Halloween. So I have a couple of pages of that. And then I did purchase some Paige Evans tricks and treats. So I didn't get the whole collection. I just got some papers. So these are really cute. I probably will make a tag book because I've been making some tag books lately using that. So that's what direction I think I'll go in with this. And I do have like a wrap-up project idea to how to use all of my stash by the time uh, before Halloween rolls around. So there's that. And then when I was in Utah, I went to the Simple Stories outlet store and picked up some of this fabulous paper. And so I'll see what I can do with those. That has some cut aparts. And I have just a little more of this. I didn't dig it out yet, but I might make some mini album kits if I can get to it in the next week or so. It looks a little crazy. So if somebody wants to make mini albums, what I usually do is have the mini albums made, give you sort of a cutting guide on how to um, add to the mini album, and then you put it together yourself. Now, I already have some on my site. I don't know if I have a Disney inspired one or what. I do have some. Oh, yeah. I was thinking, why did I get this trail mix paper? You know why? Because the colors are great to go with this paper. So besides that, I have just some ephemera and some ribbon. Don't have a lot. You may have noticed that lately I've gotten into digital files. So these were from Pixie Dust Files, and I already had printed these out. This was a freebie. Well, you'll have to go find her Facebook group, but wouldn't they make a cute card? A couple more butterflies. This was from Kara Brandon Digital Files. I think this was a freebie too. I had this was a Country Craft Creations paper, and I guess I made this last year trying to smash my stash, but I thought this would look nice in a junk journal if I do attempt to make a Halloween one. And then here I've got some Tim Holtz, trying to get it to, oh, there we go. Tim Holtz Halloween label stickers. A couple more images, another sticker book. I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen all these before. I have this Tim Holtz Ideology backdrops. This is from 2022. It's not that old. I've used some of it, but I haven't used it all. Some remnant rubs. It's probably from 2022. Yep. I have some of this uh, acetate. You can see there's a door in there. I have maybe 5 pieces of it. I love the trees. Can you see that? I made a junk journal out of this last year, which came out pretty cool. So I'll see if I can use that. And then I guess this is some more Tim Holtz ephemera, just some miscellaneous pieces that I'll see if I can include these in whatever it is I'm making. Just piece. This is just scraps of paper from paper pads that I've used in the past. This too. I mean, they'll make something cute. And then this I put in a 4x4 frame. This was using Tim Holtz dies, and that's Country Craft Creations paper. I'm thinking I could add that into a junk journal too, because it's sort of cool. Besides that, I've got some crepe paper, some bat rings. some gauze that I've dyed, and some three-dimensional um, clay molds. So something I could try. So I will go ahead and see what I can do, and go ahead and subscribe so you can see what kind of projects I make. That's what I have for What's in Your Stash for the Halloween edition 2024. Thanks so much for watching and have a fabulous day.